welcome to our Sydney and Newcastle vlog. Here we're at the Australian Reptile Zoo, which is just outside of Sydney. It began in 1958 and is the only zoo in Australia that milks spiders and snakes, and in doing so saves over 300 lives every year. You can feed free roaming roos, meet Elvis the cranky croc, and get close with koala, python and alligators, plus so much more. They have free animal shows from 10 AM to 3:30 AM, and here's a snippet of the reptile show that we went to.
Kyle has a lot of personality, so he is a juvenile saltwater crocodile, and he's absolutely fantastic. As you can see, he is an absolute little firecracker. And this is the fun part, so I'm gonna try and catch him again. But he is absolutely amazing. He's roughly around about 1 year old or 1.5 years old. As you can see, he is a whole lot different to everything out in that lagoon today. Saltwater crocodiles are just a tad different to alligators. There you go. This is the part where you clap. 0, 0, 0. Now, you can see he's got the same little lumps and bumps going down his back and tail. They work the exact same way. These things just don't get as big. So he'll max out around about lunchtime. She can eat 100% of her own body weight. So that means you are cheese and bickies, buddy. Absolutely. So she can get a whole lot bigger, and the females get a lot bigger than the males.
Tickets are from $25.99 per person, and you can purchase annual passes and other packages too.
Yeah, my favorite. Yeah, my favorite. Hello. I love him. We better vlog the bad bits too. Our engine light came on about half an hour ago and we're not sure why. We think it's the engine light for emissions, airflow. It can be a faulty CO2, faulty O2 sensor. So we are currently in a car park somewhere just off the motorway looking at how to fix it. Yeah, Tom is the one to do it. So he's there looking at what's going to go on. We are on our way to a lovely camp spot tonight. Hopefully we get a space. They do have showers, so hopefully they're open. We finished with the zoo, and well, it was a reptile park, reptile zoo. I'll enter the location here. And it was pretty amazing. The only annoying thing is that they used to have roaming roos, which they still do, but at the moment it's closed because they're resurfacing the middle park, which is where they roam. So they weren't there. And then they're also redoing the quokka bit, which is a pity because I love quokkas, and yeah, but it is what it is. Everything else was insane. I went into a spider enclosure place. Obviously they're not free roaming, but with severe arachnophobia I felt like I did well. We also saw a snake. We were just roaming around the nature garden and it was just there on the side of the path, half in the bush, but they're so scared of us they just slither away when we walk past. It's been a beautiful day sun wise. It's been so warm, which has been really nice. This morning was not that warm, but I'd probably say from midday onwards it's just been absolutely beautiful. Morning. So we have found a garage that's open today. Most of them are closed for the weekend, so we're just going to take the van there We had a lovely evening last night, really, really nice place to stay and stop the van and whatnot. We did have a shower, the showers were freezing, so it's more of a rinse than a shower. But yeah, hopefully they can try and fix the van. We'll see what they say. I'll keep updated.
Hi.
Hey guys.
Crisis averted. The only garage that was open turned out to be awesome. Really, really nice guys. Tom from Nova Innovations in Swansea,
New South
Wales came out. I told him what the problem was, told him what I'd already done, and he said, yeah, no problem, just park it around the sides, shut the diagnostic on to tell us that there's a problem or a blockage with the exhaust recirculation valve, and it would likely be the tube that comes out of the engine. And as it's common with diesel engines, build up a carbon.
So what we need to do is get on a highway and just smash it down the highway.
Which is difficult here because you're smashing on a highway is 110 kilometers per hour, which is only 66 miles per hour. So, and you're terrified that the rozzers are going to get you. So we don't really go above 66.
No.
But also, Sod's Law is the engine light's been on every time I've turned the ignition. We park up, he turns it on, and he's like, yeah, the engine light's gone off.
Which is standard when it's like when you go to a doctor and you've got something wrong, and then you go there and it's gone.
It's gone. This is our noise. This is our special noise.
Yeah.
I made this noise for you. So then we've sat for the past half an hour, just ironing out our budget.
Yeah.
And planning very conservatively the next 6 months maybe.
Yeah.
On the roads.
What it's going to cost us and whatnot.
Using our savings and accounting for hopefully the visas that come through with work for both of us, and then the trips that we really want to do: Fraser Island, Magnetic Island, dive in, Whit Sundays.
We're going to go to Willie's now for our shop, get some food. And yeah, hopefully the weekly budget, it's quite a high budget to be honest. We won't spend it all, but it's better than doing a daily budget, because some days we're going to do more driving than others, some days we're going to need more stuff than others, etc, etc. So having a weekly budget just gives us a little bit of give. So yeah, don't know what the plan is today, but we will let you know when we know. Swam down there in that one.
Big boys pool.
There is a pool over here, and it's like a rock pool, so when the tide's in and the waves are higher, that splashes over. It's quite fun. Hello guys.
We've just stopped at Merriweather Baths, which was awesome. Really, really good. Lovely place to stop and swim.
Yeah.
Lovely place to watch all the surfers, which we spent about half an hour doing. We've now come up to the Memorial Walk, which looks like some sort of skywalk suspended over like bridges.
Yeah.
And there's a 1918
beautiful
on the side, so I'm guessing it's World War One. We can have a look at that, and then we'll head up towards Newcastle Beach, which is behind us. And we'll head that way, have a look, see what's up there. Maybe get in the ocean bath up there as well.
Yeah.
Before driving around to Anna Bay, where we're going to try and camp.
Yeah.
Sleep in the van.
There are apparently sand dunes in Anna Bay, which I would like to see. So we're going to try and do that afterwards.
Some weird pyramid-y things in the sand as well, so we're going to have a look at those.
Yeah.
Cool.
See you there. us. That guy's living his life. Good morning, guys. So we've woken up for sunrise again, but we are parked literally right next to the beach where there is a beautiful sunrise. So we hope. Can't see any clouds, but yeah, let's have a look. So yeah, we're gonna do. I thought it was your dad then. Wow.
Holy. Kev! Kev, come back! I want to say hello. I want to give you a cuddle. I'm tempted to go and drive past him.
So we are in Newcastle. We just stopped at. Fuck.
Go on.
Is it Newcastle Beach?
No.
I don't fucking know. No, I don't know. A lovely beach we stopped at.
Now you've said that though, it's my brain.
Yeah.
Let's redo this one.
Let's read that.